Don't let me walk on you tonight.
Hi everyone, welcome and thanks for watching. Today is purely a tutorial because it's been so long since I've glammed up to this extent. So I wanted to get my glam on and feel and look amazing, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So purple vibes. The reason why I've also done this is I wanted to do a bit of a color wheel tutorial on what colors you should use with your eye colors that will complement you the most. If you guys don't have one of these, they're sold at Spotlight. If you grab one of them and see this point here, if you point it to your eye color, like so, mine are hazily green, so we're going to go green. All these colors at the bottom that it's highlighting when you point to green are the colors that will complement my eye color. So today I've done the purples, bit of oranges, and I've also put in a bit of yellows. Just say that you had blue eyes, you turn that marker up to blue, and they're the colors that will complement your eye color. This is fabulous to have. So if you're unsure what colors to use for your eye color, get yourself one of these from Spotlight, and it'll be able to help you with what colors will best suit your face, especially your eyes. So guys, hope you love this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe at the end. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.
Don't let me